Thank you for joining us again for another hot pepper review. My name is Rick Hess, and today we are bringing you the Zimbabwe bird pepper. This is what it looks like. And I don't know if you can get a good look at it there, but sorry about my hand up there, but it was the only way I could get it to focus on these smaller peppers. Other than that, the camera wanted to focus on this massive head right here. So, as you can see, these are maybe about an inch big, but they do pack a punch. They are anywhere. I've seen them go from 50,000 to 100,000 Scoville. I've even seen some Scoville lists list them as 200,000 plus. I don't think they're quite 200,000. I've had a couple of these already. They get pretty hot, but I don't think 200,000. This is the Capsicum Frutescens, and they grow basically in this like a shrub, and literally you get hundreds of these per plant. If you saw in the beginning photo there, I just took a small section of my plant and showed you what I'm already got, how many I have there in that section. So today I have 3. So I'll be doing 3. Just because I've done one before, and if I make it a little bit hotter, maybe it'll be a little more entertaining than just me blabbering away up here. So today we do the Zimbabwe, and let's get started. Of course, I'll have to remember that I pulled the stems off with my bare hands and got some juice on there, because I'm sure I'll end up scratching my eye and go, oh yeah, I was touching hot peppers without gloves. So here we go. There's all 3. And once again, I can't focus on it because my big head in the background. Here we go. These may be small peppers, but they pack quite some flavor. I like to call them firecracker peppers because as soon as you take a bite of one of these, you get this little explosion of heat and flavor in your mouth. It's a really nice, juicy pepper. It's a little seedy, but man, they carry a nice bit of flavor. They're great when they're ripe and red, but they're also really good in the transition. So they're just have turned from green to that shade of red. Very good. And usually the heat, like right now, is hitting right in the front of the mouth. A little bit of hiccups. These 3 had a nice heat. I've had some that are hotter. And with the Zimbabwe, the heat hits you right away. And then almost 30 seconds later, it starts to taper off. They don't hang around. They're great for putting into sauces. Great just raw. My dad likes to just pick them right off the plant and eat them straight. Nothing wrong with that. The flavor is a nice sweet flavor. A little bit like a bell pepperish type flavor. Excuse me. They're probably about a medium thickness to the walls of the pepper. Definitely crunchy. Yeah, definitely a nice heat. Like I said, some of these that I've had before have been definitely hotter, but typically with these, like I said, you can expect a quick heat, and a tapering off after that. Right now I have heat on my tongue, a little bit of the roof of my mouth, not anywhere near the back, just all right there in the front, and it's a nice smooth heat. You get that quick pow and then smooth. Very nice, very nice. Right now I'm still tapering off on the heat. Not too hot. Yeah. So there we have it. It's a very short review. Thank you for watching our Zimbabwe pepper review. We hope you enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed doing it. And we'll have plenty more reviews in the future. And as you can see, this is done. I'm done. Take care and goodbye.